This is my recommended acrylic paint palette for beginners. It's really a good idea to start learning how to mix your own colors by using the primary colors. You just learn so much about color theory, what works, how to make a wide range of colors, and especially through trial and error, it's the best way to learn. But instead of having just the primaries, I like to have a warm and cool version of each. That gives me a wider range of colors that I can mix. For my warm blue, I like ultramarine blue. And for my cool blue, I like cobalt blue. For my reds, my cool red, I like quinacridone magenta, but I also use alizarin crimson is a good one. I just like the different pinks and purples you can get with the magenta. And then for my warm red, I am using the cadmium red medium. Cadmium red medium, I should point that out because there are different, there's lights, we'll get to that in a minute with the yellow, but lights and mediums, and so you'll notice that there's a different variation of these colors sometimes. And there's other brands that are great, by the way. I just happen to like Liquitex Basics, but you know, there's other options besides these colors. This is just, I think, a good starting point. So for yellows, this is cadmium yellow light, which is going to be my cooler yellow. And then for my warmer yellow, I've got a yellow oxide. Now with these, and the addition of a titanium white or another variation of white can work. You can mix any color, and you can also mix neutrals. You can mix your different browns, grays, blacks, but there are a couple bonus colors that are nice to have. They're not necessary, but they're nice. That's going to be your raw umber, burnt sienna, and there's raw sienna too. I just don't have a tube of it right now. And then there's also different blacks. There's ivory black, Mars black, but I often like to mix my own black with the colors. This is my recommended color palette. I will definitely do some more videos on different color mixing and variations. I do have a couple videos linked in the description, how to mix a black, and then I also have how to do a color wheel with the split primary system, which is what you see here, a warm and cool version of each primary color.